Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which gives you full free access API keys to calling AI models. It's called as EUrouter.ai. If you simply go to the browser, simply type this and this landing page will come right here. You will actually see inside this landing page, you will see use any AI model, keep your data in Europe. So one API to access all the AI models. So it has Kimi K2, DeepSeek, Mistral, Gemma 4, GPT, all the latest models which are there. So now to get started, you click on the login button. You can simply start with your Google or GitHub account. So it's a really fun little website where you can get a complete free API key. So once you get authenticated, you will be landing on this interface, your dashboard area. So right in the sidebar section, you will see all these menu section. And from here, you can actually add your credits as well. So you click the add credits button. And from here, you can add credits as well. You can see that how much credits you want to add and then you can pay this. So this is a unified single platform where you can call LLM platforms. So if you simply check out their documentation, they have given how to call the model. So this is their base URL. So right here you simply provide your API key, the model name, everything. This is a complete call request that they have given right here. Quick start is also there. So you simply first of all to create that API key, you click on dashboard area and here you will find out this keys section and just click on this create your first API key. So just give it a name right here and click on create API key. So once it is created, you will see the API key will be created and simply copy this API key to clipboard. Uh, that's all. After you created the API key, you will see that now it is there. So after you created the API key, so right here you can see all the models which are there inside this. So right here a total of 150 models are there inside this website. So once you create the API key, these are the pricing which are there for each model. As you see that it returns a JSON response here with the API. So you can see we have DeepSeek, Gemma, we also have GLM as well. We also have GPT from OpenAI. We also have Kimi K2, we have Llama as well of Meta AI, we have Mistral, Minimax, we also have Qwen 3 as well of Alibaba. So these are all the different providers which are there. So you will see that we also have Anthropic. So you can simply so these are all the models which are there. They also maintain a ranking as well of each model. They are top ranking models as well. So it's really easy. So now to make the request, you can click on quick start. So you can see this is the call request which is given right here. You can make the simple call request to the API. Just replace your API key right here. The API key that we created. That's all. So here you will see the model name. So just replace your own model name. This is the endpoint. So if you also need to check the entire documentation right here. So in each language, as you see, if you click the documentation right here, this is the endpoint, and right here in different languages we have Curl, we have JavaScript, Go, Python. So definitely check out this website. It's easy. If you want to add the credits, you go to billing section right here, and right here in the free account, as you see, we are inside the free account. and you get almost 1000 requests per month. So once you create the account, you do get the 1000 requests for totally free. So you can make the request, and rate limit, as you see, we have 20 requests per month. Daily limit is unlimited. You can make unlimited requests on a daily basis. So let me just make a simple request just to show you if it is working. So let me paste my API key right here. And this curl request, as you see that, so to make the curl request, I can simply use a tool here, curl. So just paste your curl request and replace this API key. So right here, paste this API key, click on run. So this will return this JSON response to you. You will see that insufficient balance, please add credits to your account. So my credits are consumed. I already consumed all the credits. So just sign up using your free account. It gives you these credits. You can make 1000 requests per month. So instead of using showing this message, you will actually get the actual JSON response. So just make sure that you have enough credits. Once you sign up, it gives you the sample credits. After that, you can click the buy credits button as well. So it's a really good website. Definitely check this out, EUrouter.ai, for making AI requests.